Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a room tour of the Days Inn Kingman West in Kingman, Arizona. This is the king room, non-smoking, on the second floor. Sitting chair in the room. Nightstand with alarm clock, telephone, king-size bed, flat screen TV, microwave and a mini fridge, desk and chair in the room, and the bathroom. You get the sink, and they've got like a little closet area. And in the bathroom, it's a shower tub combination. Looks like it was redone not too long ago. Oh, and there's also an ironing board and iron in the room. That's going to conclude the room tour of the Days Inn Kingman West in Kingman, Arizona. There is 2 Days Inns. There is a Days Inn East and a Days Inn West. This is the Days Inn West property. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Until next time, please like and subscribe, and comment. Follow along for more videos to come.